Hey everyone! Hi, I'm Lisa. How's it going today?
Hi guys, I'm Luke. Great to see you all here. How's your day been?
Welcome to Alpha English Podcast, the place where we learn real, practical English you can actually use in your daily life, not just textbook English.
That's right. Here we share simple tips, real conversations, and everyday expressions so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
If you love learning English in a fun and easy way, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. We read your comments every day, and if you have any topic suggestions, let us know. If you've already suggested something, hang tight. Your topic might be coming in an upcoming video. Stay with us and keep learning.
All right, let's get started and make English simple and real for you.
Our topic is greetings and introductions. How to say hello. This is one of the most important skills in English because every single conversation starts with a greeting. If you get this right, your first impression becomes strong immediately.
That is so true. People often think grammar is the most important thing, but honestly, the way you say hello can decide the entire conversation. No pressure, right?
Yes, if the greeting feels awkward, the conversation can feel awkward too. But don't worry. Today, we will make greetings super easy and natural.
And by the end of this episode, you'll know how to greet people in formal situations, casual situations, work situations, and even phone calls.
Let's start with a simple question. Why do greetings matter so much?
Because greetings create the first impression, and first impressions are powerful. In English-speaking cultures, being friendly at the start is very important.
Yes, if you don't greet someone properly, people may think you are rude, even if you are not.
Imagine walking into an office and just saying, "I need help." No hello, no smile, just straight to business. Ouch.
Yes, that sounds scary. So rule number one today. Rule number one, always start with a greeting before anything else.
Even a simple hi can make the conversation warm and friendly.
The most common ways to say hello. Now let's jump into the most basic greetings in English.
These are the greetings you will use every day.
Number one, hello.
This is the safest greeting in English. You can use it anywhere. Formal, informal, work, school, phone calls, everywhere.
If you don't know what to say, just say hello. You can never go wrong.
Hello is like the white shirt of English greetings. Works everywhere.
Number two, hi.
Hi is more casual than hello. You use it with friends, classmates, coworkers, and people your age.
But you can still use hi at work. It is friendly but still polite.
For example, "Hi, Sarah." "Hi, everyone." "Hi, nice to meet you."
Simple and easy. Number three, hey.
Ah, yes, the famous hey.
This is very casual. You use it with friends or people you know well. Not your boss, not your teacher, not your interview.
Please don't walk into a job interview and say, "Hey."
So remember, hello equals formal and safe. Hi equals friendly. Hey equals very casual. Time-based greetings. Now let's talk about greetings based on time of day.
These are very common in professional situations.
Number one, good morning.
Use this until around 12 p.m. Great for work and formal situations.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, everyone.
Number two, good afternoon.
Use this from 12 p.m. until evening.
Honestly, many learners forget this one.
Yes, everyone remembers morning and evening. Poor afternoon gets ignored.
Number three, good evening.
Use this in the evening or at night when meeting someone.
But listen carefully. We do not say good night when greeting someone.
Yes, this is a common mistake. Good night is for saying goodbye, not hello.
Very important tip. How to introduce yourself. Now let's move to introductions. This is where many learners feel nervous.
Don't worry, introductions are actually very simple.
Step 1, say your greeting. Step 2, say your name.
Hello, I'm Luke.
Hi, I'm Lisa. That's it. Simple and perfect. You can also say, my name is Lisa. I'm Lisa. This is Lisa.
I'm sounds more natural in daily conversation.
Yes, native speakers say I'm most of the time.
Nice to meet you expressions.
Now comes the magic phrase after introductions.
The golden sentence.
Nice to meet you.
You say this when meeting someone for the first time.
Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you. Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you sounds more formal.
Try using it in interviews or business meetings.
Let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1, saying only your name. James. Silence.
Yes, always add I'm or my name is.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to smile.
Smile is part of the greeting, very important in English culture.
Even on phone calls, people can hear your smile in your voice.
That sounds funny, but it's true.
Wow, we covered a lot already.
And we're just getting started. In part 2, we'll talk about small talk after hello, formal versus informal introductions, phone and online greetings, and real-life conversation examples. Yes, because saying hello is only the beginning. After the greeting, the real conversation starts, and many English learners feel nervous about this part.
Don't worry, by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say after hello in many real-life situations.
Friends, work, interviews, phone calls, online meetings, we will cover everything. Let's go. Section 1, Small Talk Mastery. After greeting and introduction comes the most important skill, small talk.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation that builds comfort and connection.
In English-speaking cultures, jumping straight into serious topics can feel rude or cold.
Imagine meeting someone and immediately saying, "Tell me your salary."
Oh no! Conversation finished immediately. The golden rule of small talk. Here is the golden rule. Ask easy, safe, friendly questions.
Safe topics include weather, work or study, location, travel, hobbies.
Avoid politics, religion, and money when meeting someone for the first time.
This is a big cultural tip, very important.
The most powerful small talk question. Let's start with the king of all small talk questions. How are you?
This question is more like saying hello again. It does not need a deep answer.
Good answers. I'm good. I'm great. I'm doing well. Pretty good. Not bad.
Always ask back. I'm good. How about you?
This shows politeness and interest.
Advanced answers to how are you?
Now let's upgrade your answers.
Instead of always saying I'm fine, try I'm doing great today. I'm doing really well. I'm a bit tired but good. Busy but happy.
These sound more natural and human.
Humans have feelings, not robots.
Yes. Section 2, how to continue the conversation. After how are you, what next?
Ask a follow-up question. Always keep the conversation moving.
Topic 1, the weather. The famous weather conversation.
People talk about weather everywhere. Examples, nice weather today, right? It's really hot today. It's so cold this week.
Weather is safe and universal. Everyone experiences weather.
Topic 2, work or study. Next safe topic, work or study. Questions, what do you do? What are you studying? Do you enjoy your job?
People like talking about their work.
Even if they complain.
Topic 3, hobbies. Hobbies are amazing conversation starters.
Questions, what do you do in your free time? Do you like sports? Do you watch movies?
This helps find common interests. Section 4, formal introductions deep dive.
Now let's go deep into formal introductions.
Very important for jobs, interviews, meetings.
Interview introduction example. Good morning. My name is Lisa Brown. Thank you for having me today.
Good morning. I'm Luke Williams. It's a pleasure to meet you. Add gratitude when possible.
Networking event introduction. Hi, I'm Luke. I work in marketing.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lisa. I work in design. Short and clear. Section 5. Introducing other people. Advanced. Let's make this more advanced. Formal introduction example. Mr. Smith, I'd like you to meet Sarah.
Sarah, this is Mr. Smith.
Notice the phrase, I'd like you to meet.
Very polite and professional.
Section 5. Phone greetings. Deep dive.
Let's go deeper into phone conversations.
Phone greetings are extremely important in business. Hello, this is Lisa speaking. Hi, this is Luke from Alpha English Podcast.
Never say, myself, Lisa.
This is a very common mistake. Section 6. Online meeting introductions.
Now the modern world, online meetings.
Yes, good examples. Hi everyone, can you hear me? I'm Lisa from the marketing team. Happy to join the meeting today.
Short, clear, confident.
Cultural tip time. Very important.
In English cultures, smile when greeting. Make eye contact. Use friendly tone.
These nonverbal signals matter a lot. Section 8. Long, real conversation practice. Let's practice a longer conversation. Hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Luke. How are you?
I'm great today. How about you?
I'm doing well. Busy but happy.
What do you do?
I work in marketing. What about you?
I'm a designer.
Nice. What do you do in your free time?
I love watching movies and traveling.
That's awesome.
See? Natural and friendly.
Final recap. Let's summarize the full episode.
1. Start with a greeting. 2. Introduce yourself. 3. Say, nice to meet you. 4. Ask small talk questions. 5. Keep conversation friendly.
If you master greetings, you can start any conversation confidently.
Practice these phrases every day. Speak with confidence. You can do it.
Thank you for listening to Alpha English Podcast.
See you in the next episode.